BILI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this brief and short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Bilibili is just interesting, you know. I mean, I like it. It's $18 and everything, but it's not volatile enough, man. What the hell? I'm the only guy in the space that has actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all, and all I'm looking to do on this thing here, honestly, is just double down more, right? So I'm just gonna mark out the top, and only if I do see it actually giving me some sort of a break. Yeah, this is like 1943. Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, this is daily chart, and I quite like literally don't care because it's not volatile enough to be traded like any other way. But swing's gonna be a swing if there's a shift, and if there's not a shift, there's no way I'm swinging here, you know. So stay tuned. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. I'm sure I have previous receipts with BILI. As I said, it doesn't seem like it's showing, but that's fine. Goodbye and enjoy.